Hey, good morning everybody, it's Austin the Car Guy here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the 2024 F-150, specifically with ordering your F-150 and what they are changing. So with that being said, stay tuned. And if you guys have never seen any of my videos before, this is my car channel where I do new car walkarounds, tech talks, as well as just talking about new products that are coming out. Alright, with that being said, let's get right into it. And the biggest one that Ford F-150 fans are upset about is that with 2024, you cannot get a two-wheel drive on the Lariat or higher. So your Lariat, your Platinums, your Tremors, of course your Raptors, you cannot get two-wheel drive. And this is upsetting a lot of people because some people preferred being able to get a two-wheel drive luxury truck. However, can't do it anymore. And before I get too far into this video is probably titled something along the lines of ordering an F-150 will never be the same. But I do want to preference the process of going to the dealership, talking to a salesperson, putting an order in and picking it up 4 or 5 months later is not going to go away. That process is staying exactly the same. What is changing is the packages of what you can order when you actually get to the dealership and go talk to a salesperson. The second thing is consolidation of packages and features. So Ford, because of ease of production, is actually changing a lot of the packages and features and individual options that you can put on the truck. It's going very similarly to the Toyota allocation cycle. If you haven't already seen how that works, basically Toyota builds all the trucks and just sends them out to dealers. So when you do a custom order through a Toyota dealership, it's very, very rare that they're actually contacting the factory and getting the exact truck for you. Typically what happens is that the sales team at the store is just going through basically searching for the exact trim level, packages, pricing that you wanted and getting you that truck. So that's most of the time what's happening at Toyota dealerships. And we'll see more of that as Ford dealerships start to get this new 2024 allocation batch of the F-150. So we talked about the fact that you can't get a four-wheel drive on the higher trim levels. We're also talking about packages. You can no longer individually order specific things based on the package that you want. It's going to come more inclusive with those things. So a prime example is at the launch event, they talked a lot about the Platinum High package and how it's basically replacing the Limited. Well, that Platinum High, if you go on Ford's 2024 build and price tool, you can see that you can only get that Platinum High package as one build. Very similar to the new Toyota Capstone, the Tundra trim level, where all you can really option is a safe in the center console and some paint protection material on the front of the truck. So everything that comes in that package is going to be what you get. It's no longer an option of picking between bench seat and bucket seats. Most of the new 2024 packages are going to be stuck in that old school, old style of this is what you get, no questions asked. And that's just for simplicity of production, taking a lot of these wait times down. A lot of customers wait for their truck to get built. Could take up to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. No longer is there any more of that going on. So that's good news for the consumer, but also bad news if you're somebody who really likes to get in there and dial in and custom in your custom order. So with that being said, is there any super really bad news or good news that we need to be concerned about? Well, not a whole lot is changing, especially if you're not somebody who orders a truck every single day. But there is good news. The 2.7 liter EcoBoost motor making 400 pound-feet of torque and getting the best fuel economy at 26 miles to the gallon is going to be the new standard motor. The other good news is that the Power Boost, the hybrid F-150 that has that really cool 7.2 kilowatt hour generator in the bed, is going to be ramping up production. 2023, it was about 10% of total F-150 sales. 2024, they're expecting it to be closer to 20%. So there's a lot of big improvements that we're excited for 24. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos like this on the new 24 products, especially as they flow in from the factory. We're going to be doing walkarounds on all of them. So make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what Ford products you want to see in 2024.